Welcome to DJ TV.
Yes, so my people, Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of Labour Party, he don come outside come talk concerning local government election wey dey come up He still talk about the ongoing rumour wey dey circulate up and down say he don join forces with other presidential candidates APC, PDP and NNPP. Talk concerning those rumours, say half of those rumours say na false news. So anyway, my people, I no go talk too much. I will leave una now make una watch this video and hear from Peter Obi himself and hear all wetin he talk concerning this whole matter. Make una watch.
And my own dear brother, the state chairman and the executive are very dear aspirants, fellowship aspirants, and all the dignitaries, local government aspirants, and most importantly, you, the members of our party, and all that is involved in this struggle. You are the most important. Labour Party. When chairman was talking to you, why this election is important, I will tell you why it's important, and even tell you my own experience as governor. Local government is the nearest to the people. Local government is supposed to be the route for ensuring development. It is a system that is closer to the people, and the three most critical areas of development are health, it is in the local government, through the primary health care. Number two is education. It is through the local government. Because when you talk about education, you talk about basic education, which is primary and secondary, is in the local government. And pulling people out of poverty. As you know, today in Nigeria, there's mass poverty. And that mass poverty is in the local government. So for the system to work in countries that have developed well, it is the local government, the subnational, which is the state, and the central government. So the central government will come through the subnational to the local government. So every development is domiciled in the local government. And that is why it is critical that you know about local government. As governor, I was prevented by all of legal and litigation from conducting local government election for over 6 years. But I can tell you one thing. We still use the money belonging to local government in the local government system, and I can say it here, and I want all of you to take it. Go and look and verify all the money that came to local government in Anambra State, whether anyone is missing. If you go to every local government, we were number one in education. Because we use the money of the state and local government in the local government. We did very well in health because we use the money of the local government and the state in the local government. Our primary health care was one of the best. We did well in pulling people out of poverty because if you go to Baku, go to all those who were in charge of fighting poverty when I was in government, they will tell you that Anambra State is number one. Go to development agencies. When we were in government, they will tell you that Anambra State paid its counterpart funding before any state in Nigeria. And what I'm telling you is on tape. Go and verify it. No state in Nigeria No state in Nigeria paid this counterpart funding to any development agency before Anambra State. Go to UNICEF, go to UNDP, go to all of them. They will tell you, European Union, everybody, we paid before everybody. And we made sure, and to trace that fact, we were #1 in Millennium Development Goals, which is the only means of measuring development, and this is domiciled in local government system. So we're here today. I told chairman, I said, chairman, when is the local government election? I was informed by one of the aspirants. I said, chairman, we must go and support them. Chairman, we have to go and be with them. Chairman, we must find a way. Even if we don't have anything, we must find a way to ensure that they participate. Even if it's one naira, we'll give them, because they will succeed. And that's why we're here. So we are not just here to talk. We will support them with everything. Even when we are coming here, I said, chairman, we'll go back and look for whatever we can do to support them. We must support them. That's what we did. We are equal down. And I joined the chairman in pleading. Yes, I know before now governors, and I tell people will say to me, Peter, when you were there, I said when I was there, things were better. Today, trouble day. Today wahala day. So today, person no fit chop. To enter motor na wahala. So things are changed. And what we say, today it must be different. Government must account for public money. Today across Nigeria, people are hungry. Today across Nigeria, people are dying. People are not sure their children will go to school. So things don't change. And we are saying that those in government must also change and do the right thing. People have suffered enough in this country. That suffering must end. We must start now pulling people out of poverty. If we don't, I'm worried that one day, even those of us in government will wake up. What thing we go see, we not gonna agree. Because we must now. So those of you who are contesting, go and tell the people what you will do. And whatever you say, if you succeed, do it. No more promise and fail. I kept telling chairman when we were campaigning, I said, chairman. I kept telling chairman when we were campaigning, chairman, I'm campaigning to be president because I can say it any day, I will solve the problem of Nigeria. All this confusion they are doing today can be solved. And that is what we were saying. And I continue to say it. I'm prepared for it. And I want you to be prepared for it. I want you to be sure what you're promising. Time for fake promise has passed in this country. We don't want anybody to promise us fake thing now. Anything you promise, you must deliver. Labour Party! Labour Party! Please go and look for a way to support them. We are supporting them. That's why we're here and everything. Labour Party will continue to grow, we continue to grow stronger, better, everything. Half of the things you're hearing everywhere is rumor. Don't listen to them. We are committed to building a better and a new Nigeria where we move Nigeria from consumption to. Thank you and God bless all of you.
DJ